Hello viewers, the team of Political and Business Daily brings to you yet another edition of Daily Dossier for June 23, 2020. This day India witnessed the second biggest rise in its cases by registering 15,612 new cases. The day also marks for the biggest deaths in a particular day in India. Union Home Minister Amit Shah said around 20,000 beds including 250 ICU beds for COVID patients will be added in the national capital by next week. He added that 10,000 bed COVID care center at Chhatarpur to be ready for operation by June 26. He further said that another 1,000 bed COVID care center with 250 ICU beds for COVID patients by DRDO and Tata Trust to be ready in next 10 days. Armed forces personnel have been deployed at 8,000 additional beds housed in railway coaches in Delhi for COVID patients. The facilities, which is planned at Chhatarpur in Delhi, is the biggest facility in the world as it can cater to 10,200 patients, deploying 1,000 plus para-medical staff. It is worked out at Radha Swami Satsang Bias premises. A bit of claim-staking war came on Twitter as Delhi CM requested for deployment of doctors and nurses from ITBP and Army at the center. In his reply, Amit Shah said it has already been decided in our meeting 3 days back and Ministry of Home Affairs has assigned the work of operating the COVID care center at Radha Swami Bias in Delhi to ITBP. Yoga guru Baba Ramdev's Patanjali Ayurveda on Tuesday claimed to have successfully made a medicine to treat coronavirus. He claimed the Ayurveda medicine Coronil has shown 100% success rate in clinical trials conducted on coronavirus patients. However, the Ayush Ministry has asked Patanjali to give details of the clinical trial conducted. Patanjali has filed a reply on this. Now let us come to parameters for the day. India's registered its second biggest one-day rise in new cases on Tuesday. Infected cases in India increased by 15,612 in absolute numbers. This takes the total cases in India till date to 4,56,016, which translates to an intraday rise of 3.5% in the total cases. But the point of relief is the steady growth in recoveries. Gaining by a substantial number every day, we saw 10,356 recovery on Tuesday, taking the total patients recovered in India to 2,58,523. These numbers constitutes 56.7% of the total cases. The difference in new persona reported with infection and to those who recovered takes the rise in active cases by another 5,226. Now they stand at 1,83,001 or 40.1% of the total cases. Barring a technical or clerical correction which was carried out earlier in Delhi and Maharashtra, India saw their highest number of single-day deaths. 468 persons died from this virus on Tuesday. The total deaths in India stands at 14,483, which is 3.2% of the total cases recorded till date in India. Let us come to our usual section of states which saw the maximum number of new infections recorded in a day. On top of this list today is Delhi, which saw a rise of nearly 4,000 cases to take the state's total infections till date to 66,602. Next on the list is Telangana, which registered 879 fresh infections on Tuesday, its highest single-day spike, taking total in the state to 9,553 cases. Third on this list is Rajasthan, which also saw its biggest rise in a day with the state reporting 395 new infections. This takes the total cases in the state to 15,627. Last in this list today is Kerala, which for the fourth consecutive day saw its biggest rise with the state reporting 141 fresh infections. This takes the total cases in the state to 3,452. Major states and union territories which saw its active cases reducing today are Gujarat, West Bengal, Haryana, Bihar, Assam, Punjab, Goa, Arunachal Pradesh and Meghalaya. Thanks for watching this daily report.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to never miss an update.